If you're experiencing verification issues on Yahoo Mail after multiple failed attempts, follow these steps to resolve the problem and regain access to your account. Step 1. Check your internet connection. Ensure that you have a stable internet connection. A weak or intermittent connection can cause issues during the verification process. Try switching to a different network or resetting your router if necessary. Step 2. Clear browser cache and cookies. Clear your browser's cache and cookies to remove any stored data that might be causing conflicts. Go to your browser settings, find the privacy or history section, and select the option to clear cache and cookies. Step 3. Use a different browser or device. If the issue persists, try accessing Yahoo Mail from a different web browser or device. Sometimes, browser-specific issues can interfere with the verification process, so switching can help. Step 4. Request a new verification code. If you are prompted for a verification code, request a new one. Make sure to check your spam or junk folder if you do not see the email in your inbox. Wait a few minutes before requesting another code to avoid being temporarily locked out. Step 5. Contact Yahoo support. If none of the above steps work, reach out to Yahoo support for assistance. Provide them with details about your issue and any error messages you received. They can help troubleshoot further and guide you through the recovery process. By following these steps, you should be able to resolve verification issues on Yahoo Mail and regain access to your account. If problems continue, don't hesitate to seek professional help from Yahoo support team.